The Supreme Court on Wednesday agreed to hear on April 9 the center's plea seeking closure of cases against two Italian Marines accused of killing two India's fishermen off the Kerala coast in February 2012, reports PTI. The center told the top court that it had contacted the victims' family members and due compensation had been paid to them. A bench of Chief Justice Bob Day and Justices A.S. Bopanna and V. Ramasubramanian was informed by Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, who mentioned the matter for urgent listing. On last occasion, the court had asked the center to contact the victim's family. They were contacted. They have been paid due compensation. They are here also, Mr. Mehta said. Tushar Mehta requested the bench to take up the matter for hearing on Friday, saying there is some urgency since it is between the Indian and Italian government. Based on the request, the bench agreed to hear the plea on Friday. On August 7 last year, the top court had made it clear to the center that it would not pass any order on the plea seeking closure of cases against two Italian Marines accused of killing two Indian fishermen without hearing the victims' families, who should be given adequate compensation. It had asked the center to make the victims' family members as parties to its plea seeking closure of Indian Marines case. The center had told the top court that Italy has assured the Indian government that it would prosecute the Marines there as per law and the maximum compensation will be ensured to the victims' family members. The Supreme Court had said it appreciated the step taken by Italy to prosecute these Marines, but the court was concerned with the adequate compensation to victims' family. While referring to the case against the Marines pending before the special court, the top court had said that without applying for withdrawal of prosecution of case, how the center can approach it and seek closure of matter. The center had referred to the last year's ruling of the Permanent Court of Arbitration at Hague, which held that India was entitled to get compensation in the case but can't prosecute the Marines due to official immunity enjoyed by them. On July 3 last year, the center had moved the top court seeking closure of judicial proceedings here against the Italian Marines. News Desk, Kaumudi English.